Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're taking a quick look at how you can make money with Midjourney on Etsy. Midjourney is an AI tool that can help you convert prompts, that's words, into realistic images. So a lot of people are making buck selling the prompts and also using the images on their product and making it unique and selling it to their end users. So that's what I'm going to talk to you about in this video. So if you want to get the full gist, make sure you stay with me till the end of this video. So this is Etsy, and I just come in here and I typed in Midjourney prompts. So as you can see, there are loads of prompts here. You can sell this on Etsy. You can get the prompt. I'll show you where to get the prompt in a moment. You can get the prompt and come on in here. So this person, for example, is selling t-shirt design prompt. So it's supposed to be 300 t-shirt design Midjourney prompt. So what this seller is doing is they have created some prompts in Midjourney and have put them together. It's selling them on Etsy and as a digital product. So you will download this and take this into Midjourney and use it on your design. So if you can make this your own, then slap it on your print on demand design, your shirt, and create something for yourself. So that's what this person is selling. And other sellers here, as you can see, there are loads of designs. These are like designs you can put on tumblers and mugs and all of that great stuff. So how can you create this and sell? You need to come to Creative Fabrica. That would help you get started quickly. So I've come to Creative Fabrica and I have Midjourney prompts here. So you can see these are different prompts that people have created. For those of you who don't know what Creative Fabrica is, here you can get different stuff, different digital stuff to resell as your own, but make sure you're doing that following the guidelines and what the license allows you to do with them on Creative Fabrica. So for example, if I come to Creative Fabrica, this is my Creative Fabrica account. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get one for yourself. So I can download this. Okay, I can come on in here, you read the description. So what you get the PDF that contains all these prompts. You get this and you can download this to your phone, to your PC or whatever it is you use. You shouldn't sell this as is because here you're not allowed to sell it. Even though it says commercial usage allowed, you're not supposed to sell this as another product. So you're supposed to use this on your products, like on your print on demand products, and sell that, but you can't sell this prompt as your own. So you need to come in here, download this and upload it into your own Midjourney account and tweak it and make it your own. Then download your own prompts, compile your own prompts. Then you can then come on into Etsy and sell this. So to get a quick head start, you can come into Creative Fabrica and download whatever prompt it is that catches your eyes here. If you want to sell creative wall art prints, you can come here and download this and take it into your own Midjourney account. In another video, I'll walk you through how to use the Midjourney AI tool and take it into Midjourney and tweak the prompts and make it your own. Then compile that and come here into Etsy to sell it. Okay, that's what these people are doing. So don't lift anything from Creative Fabrica without making it your own if you want to resell. Okay, so you don't get into trouble. Now, another way you can make money with this is obviously using it on your print on demand product. So these are stuff you can use on your mugs, on your tumblers. If we go into Etsy again and take a look at tumblers, so these are tumblers. So I just typed in pattern tumblers and you can see all of this pattern. You can see this person is selling this bundle as a digital product, so you can download this and use on your print on demand, just like I explained earlier. You can do that yourself. But if you want to sell the physical products as print on demand product, you come in here. I have a video walking you through how to create print on demand product. I'll link that up in the card. So you can take that once you download it from Creative Fabrica directly. If you want to create wall art, you can use this. So you're able to use this directly to create your own design. but I would still advise you tweak this if you're able to. If not, you can use it as is to generate your own design. For example, this is a Tumblr design. This seller has generated this image and has wrapped it around this Tumblr and is selling the Tumblr for this amount. So you're able to use stuff you create in Midjourney to create your own print on demand product. So if you download this, you can use it on your product, or you can sell the prompt, tweak the prompt a little, make it your own and sell it. So in another video, I'm going to show you how to create some of this stuff in Midjourney, how to create it yourself and come up with different ideas. So you want to make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you're here when I do release that video. So that is what I wanted to show you in this quick video, guys. So if you're looking to make some quick buck, if you're looking to start something on Etsy and quick and easy, what you can do is come into Creative Fabrica, get some of this prompt, download this, upload it into your own Midjourney account and make your own changes, then compile everything and then come back into Etsy and sell it as prompts, as people are selling, as you can see, and sell it to other people who are looking to buy. Otherwise, you put it on your print on demand product and sell the physical product, just like you can see this person is selling this. So you can create your own version of what you download from a Creative Fabrica, take it to your print on demand supplier. The link is going to be in the card. These are the suppliers I recommend, and now you can get started with them. So you can create your own tumblers and your mugs or whatever it is that you want to create. So that is a quick thing I wanted to share with you in this video, guys. Like I said, I'll walk you through how to use Midjourney in another video. So you want to stay subscribed to this channel. Thank you again, guys, for staying with me to the end of another video, and I will see you in the next one.